I have 2 boys. They're 6 and 3, and they are boys, like real he-hims, if you know what I'm saying. Don't worry, we asked them, all right? And they were like, definitely. And we're like, oh, it's up to you. Now, luckily, I have a cousin that lives near me, and he has 2 girls, the same age, 6 and 3. So I get this wildly different experience, up close and in person, all the time. And these girls come over to my house. My God, what did I do wrong where I didn't get girls? These girls, they show up and they're like, hello, Uncle Tommy. I go, hello to you. And they go, where should we sit? I go, try one of the chairs. And they go, we would like to color. I go, please. And then they sit down and they fucking color. An hour later, I can go into that room and they're like, I go, that's nice. Where are my boys? Are they in the house? Are they on the house? Are they on? Oh, they're on the street. Fantastic. I go out there, I'm like, what the hell are you guys doing? And they're like, we broke all the crayons and we put them in the mailbox. I'm like, thank you. Thanks for doing that.